Hey guys, and welcome to the APSX Showroom. This is the APSX-PIM injection molding machine. The pricing is $12,500 plus shipping. You can make plastic parts up to 1.83 cubic inch in one shot in a typical 60-second cycle. You can use PP, PE, ABS, nylon, Delrin, or similar material. .3D printed molds is also an option for a quick prototype part. This is the SPYDER CNC machine. The pricing is $6,750 plus shipping. It can mill metals such as aluminum, bronze, and mild steel with up to 1/1000th of an inch precision, thanks to the auto mist feature and the solid structure. We would love to see you here soon. Please schedule a visit or a video call on our website at www.apsx.com.